A 30-year-old son decided to admit his father into an old people's home as desired by his wife. He brought the father in a car to an old people's home run by a Catholic priest. Then appeared this elderly priest, who came out to have a long chat with the old man. The son wondered and asked the priest whether he knew his father before, since they were talking as though they knew each other. The priest replied yes, and continued. He came here 30 years back and took with him a very sick orphan boy who everyone else had rejected for adoption. This man gave that boy home and saved his life. He told us this little boy deserves better. I'll dedicate my life to make him the wealthiest young man when he turns 25. The priest continued, I don't know how long you have known him, but I can tell you he is a good man, and I am glad to inform you that you were the sick boy. The boy, on hearing this, fell on his knees and begged the old man for forgiveness. The old man looked at him with a smile.